Greetings and welcome to another video. Today we're talking about Creation is Finished by Neville Goddard. Neville Goddard in his lectures often mentioned that creation is finished. This phrase has brought so much confusion to so many people, but in today's video we're going to explain the meaning of creation is finished. We're going to talk about the infinite variations, and in the end I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to manifest according to this. And of course, feel free to subscribe to our channel if you enjoy this kind of content. Now it's time to start with the meaning of creation is finished. Everything that there is and everything that has ever been coexist right now. Have you ever been in a huge department store? The only thing that you have to do is choose between the unlimited options of products that they provide. Or have you ever been to a buffet? The unlimited options are there for you to choose. Now I want you to imagine that when it comes to manifesting your desires, it works pretty much the same way. It's almost like doing online shopping. You choose the version of the product you wish, find the description that suits you, and click the Add to Cart button. Creation is finished simply means that there is nothing for you to create because it already exists. The only thing that you have to do is to manifest it. If you ever think that there is something to create, you just become aware of its existence. Have you ever awakened from a dream in the middle of the night having an amazing idea or inspiration? It is because you just became aware of an idea that is created and has to be manifested. And now about the infinite variations. There are infinite parallel realities simultaneously. Everything is happening right now. You have infinite possibilities spread out for you, and the only thing that you have to do is choose whichever one you would like. You wish to manifest a specific person, select this reality. You wish to become a millionaire, select it again. But how can you turn your selection into reality? Well, here is the answer for you right now. All you need is these 3 things: imagination, emotions, and persistence. Now remember, everything comes from imagination. If you keep imagining having your desire right now, this act of imagining generates strong feelings of fulfillment. So imagination generates strong emotions. Also, when experiencing emotions of fulfillment through the act of imagining, you will want to feel them even more, so this will bring persistence. This is exactly why Neville said that imagination is God. And with God you can create everything because all things exist right now. Because creation is finished, what you desire already exists. It is excluded from you because you can see only the contents of your own consciousness. The wholeness of infinite realities are available for you to choose whichever one you would like. I am the beginning and the end. There is nothing to come that has not been and is.